Beauty of levels again. Last week, see, this channel was there since last week. I had asked you to remain long and expect that 15,300, 350 is going to give it a critical resistance. Tech 100 precisely achieving the top of the levels, precisely achieving the top of the channels, have retraced and closed below 15,000 levels. I hope you all profited. Those who watched the last week's review must have seen these levels playing beautifully here on the daily charts. Now, what to expect from Tech 100 next week? Is it going to continue with the bearish bias, or this is just a retracement here and it is going to still bounce back? Which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts followed with indicators, because indicators here also plays a very important role. Prices are divergent from the 20 period. It is converged here and taking the support here. We will see more if into detail, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels strategy and the summary of the observation. Do watch till the end, and yes, if you appreciate the effort, do like, share, subscribe and comment, and do not miss to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day targets for Nasdaq 100, which I share first with the Asia and Europe session and next with the US session. These two updates daily definitely would add to your day trading decisions. With that, let's start. See, first of all, at this point, we have seen consolidation and a breakout. That is why I had mentioned last week that we can see a possible reversal. We can see a possible rise towards the top of this channel in which the Tech 100 is trading. Now, this is a bearish channel, precisely achieving the top of the channel, which we have seen so far has played a very, very good resistance. Prices have reversed and we have seen a massive drop in Tech towards the end of the week. In fact, it has closed below 15,000 levels. Now, even if you look at, see, right now also it is still staying after this. Let's say this is a pole here. This is a good flag formation, bullish flag formation. And right now it is still yielding higher lows here. Thus, I will wait for it to break below 14,900. That will be an indication for us that it is trying to trade bearish, and below 14,800 is where the bears will take over. Hence, these two levels are going to play a very, very important role if and only if prices stay below 14,900. Rather, I will say 14,880, 920, very, very strong support zone. Then 14,800 will come into picture, the greater resistance on the down. Staying below 14,800, consider this as a reversal, and we are going to look forward to again towards the bottom of the channel, which is right now below 14,400 levels here. Yes, but again, if you look at, see, this is the pole, this is again a flag, this is again a bullish flag in which Tech 100 is trading. Any breakout above 15,500, any breakout above 15,500 should be taken up very, very seriously. That is a bullish breakout and it is going to rally, chances of which appears to be less as of. But these are market, anything and everything is possible. Yes, right now it is trading in this bearish channel. I will wait for it to either break out on the downside, confirming a bearish break, or on the upside, confirming a bullish breakout. Coming to the week, likewise on the weekly chart, see, reversal sign, double bottom, 3 green candles. Yes, price is reversed here. At the same time, look at this candle. This candle has a significance here because, see, very, very small body and a larger wick on the upside suggested that the prices are not willing to stay bullish, and that is why we can see a drop. Also, this is coming from the top of the channel here, suggests that there is lot much of resistance on the upside. Now, as I said, only bearishness confirmation is below 14,800, and in fact, even if it stays below 1400, see, 14,800, see, 14,600, 400 is the zone where it is going to find out maximum support. This is a zone. As long as this is respected, we are not going to again treat Tech 100 as bearish. Yes, it can possibly show a reversal. There are again good supports at 14,720 levels, 14,600 levels, which will come into picture. Now, see, in this cases, what is a probable outcome is lower highs, lower lows, again trying to form this way. Thus, 14,710, 720 zone is something also we should watch out for. That is the next support below 14,800 level. Now, also one must note, see, the rise here was stronger than the retracement. Then the lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So it is certainly trading bearish, and a breakout should be very, very strong. That is my expectation. Coming to the monthly. Now, also if you look at the monthly charts, couple of red candles, lower highs are formed here. Lower highs, lower lows suggest that on the downside 14,200 levels should come into picture. 14,200, 300, that should be the bottom of for this month. And there is a probability, because see, it has seen the highs here. If it retraces and breaks below 14400, remember there is going to be a sharper drop which is going to take prices. In fact, it can take it below 14,000 levels towards the end of the month. Yes, 14,000, 13,800 is the next stronger support zone if it breaks below 14,400 levels. And even if you see this, see, first of all, so far it was trading in this bullish channel, it has come out of the channel. And if you connect the dots here, you will find, just connect these two lows and you will find it has already found one of the bottom of this bullish channel, and breaking below 14,400, certainly there is going to be more bearishness which may take the prices towards this zone. This is the bottom here at 13,000. Remember this fact, there is lot much downside is still available, but I will wait for it to break below 14,400 first support zone, then 13,800, 14,000 the next, and below that more bearishness is going to prevail. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What are the indicators are suggesting? Now if you look at the indicators on the monthly, see, first of all, prices are too much divergent from the 20 period moving average. That is why I say 13,800, very good support. At least some point of time it should achieve those levels here in near future. That is what it will try to, and in fact there could be a further sharper drop which may take it further lows. As of now, the prices are still staying bullish. 20 period moving average certainly will prove out to be a very good support, and then 13,000 is the ultimate support levels in the near future. When I say near future, it means 3 months, 6 months down the lane. If you look at stochastic, this was overbought and thus it is looking down. This candle may also going to be a red candle. We may see a possible sharper drop in the coming few weeks, or the next week itself it may begin as what we have seen. I will wait for it to break below 14,900 specifically, then more bearishness is going to prevail. But on the monthly charts, there is a good indication. Look at the crossover, bullish crossover on MACD, which has happened few months back, and this has come after long bearish move here. Yes, it was trading with slight divergence. That is why we can see the candle size diminishing, and that is why we can see couple of red candles. But it has not crossed over. It may converge. However, there is still lot much of bullishness available on the month. As you can see on the monthly chart, see, this is the crossover which has happened, and prices always, the MACD has always stayed above zero levels and has always seen a rise from these levels. So I will definitely watch out how it behaves for next couple of months. If you look at RSI, this is also dropped. Coming to the weekly, on the weekly chart, the first important point is the double bottom and a reversal sign. Second is the moving average has crossed over in the recent past here and are trading with divergence. What it is trying to do, it is just flatten up. Also, the prices which were divergent from the 20 period has seen 20 period moving average and reverse since then. So this is a good sign. If it has to stay bullish, it can try to fly off from the current levels. Thus 15,350, 15,500 levels are going to remain critical for the coming few weeks. Any breakout beyond 15,500 should be treated as a bullish reversal, and then it is going to fly past all-time high levels. Look at a stochastic. This is dropped and now trying to rise here, and this is almost like a W formation which can bring the prices to overbought levels. But this is important. The MACD has crossed over few weeks back, and if you look at this, is seen maximum rise here. It has come at a slightly elevated levels. What has happened here previously, it has stayed there for a while and then a sharp drop was seen. Now same thing, it is a sharp drop which is observed here. Possibly it can take the prices little lower from here. So yes, a wave is what it will try to create. At least even if it has to bullish, it can try to hit the bottom before reversing. RSI has dropped significantly. Coming to the daily, on the daily chart, see, prices here were divergent from the 20-50 period moving average, and yes, 20-50 period moving average are still in the bearish zone. It has not yet crossed over. This is a sign which suggests that any drop on the downside shall bring more bearishness, specifically below 14,800 levels. Certainly the bears will try to take over from there, and then it can continue towards the bottom of the channel as well. You have to be watchful, specifically next week. At the same time, right now it is in the retracement zone. As long as 14,800 is respected, we will be very cautious and alert. Stochastic, which was overbought, is now looking downwards, trying to stay bearish. Look at MACD. It was trading with extreme divergence. It has started to converge, and if you look at MACD, see, it is formed double bottom. It is just trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over, and hence this is still a retracement. Possibly we may see a further rise, though it does not mean, see, these are not the bottom here for Tech 100. It can see further lower lows here. See, the highs were at plus 400 levels, while the lows are in fact has not seen minus 200 as well. So yes, there is a further probability for it to continue on the downside. RSI is looking downwards, trying to stabilize. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you all so that you all can trade profitably, trade comfortably, trade with confidence. And before I provide you the levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is going to start on 16th of October. Couple of seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. And yes, pressing the bell icon and joining my free Telegram channel keeps you updated with the live market analysis. And yes, your every like, comment, share, subscribe is a great support and great motivation for me to deliver twice a day update on Tech 100. With that, let's talk about first the levels to buy. Now, I will recommend you to buy here at 15020, expect 15060, 15110. Now, in between this and 15170, the next very nearby resistance, then 15250, and then 15320. Now, if it breaks below 15320, 350 zone, any point of time next 15360, if it breaks beyond this zone any point of time next week, see, these were the levels last week also, and this week also. These levels are going to play a critical role. Beyond this, we will be looking forward to 15460 levels directly, and then 15520. Any move beyond this, do not think of selling Tech 100. It is going to sky high. It is going to break past 16,000 in the near future. Any move beyond this zone at 15,500, do not think of selling Tech 100. Though I still expect it to drop, I still expect it to either trade in range or drop from here. That is will be my expectation. Now that is why on the downside where to sell, I will recommend you to sell here at 4940 levels. Expect 14880, 14840, and 14800. Till here, very good support exists in between the zone. You have to be careful as long as 14800 is respected. Below this, we can see 14710, 14600, and then this time we may see it breaking below 14400 as well, which will take it towards 14350, 14200, and then 14,000 levels. I will expect it to drop a little, but then see, right now on the downside, supports are seen very good. Only thing is, my concern is about the double bottom levels, which it is seen at 14400, which is going to remain critical. Thus, as long as these levels are respected here, we have to be watchful, careful, and alert. Here below 14600, certainly more bearishness will prevail. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and a Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. See you again with the daily twice a day updates on Nasdaq 100. Do watch both. Thank you.